ended up breaking this cucumber on the way home, and I'm going to attempt to fix it. The first thing I need to do is get this out of here. Got to be very, very careful with this. Put in some of this fertilizer that I just bought. I did put some cucumber seeds in here. They were left over from last year. Only had one that actually came up. So I'm assuming they're just no good. Nice rich. It's got a lot of compost in it now. It's got the fertilizer. I'm going to go ahead and try to do a repair on this cucumber. First thing I need to do is get them out of here. Let's see if I can separate these. Okay, that's two. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So 2 and 2. I'm going to put this one out here in the sun a little bit more, mainly because it's a little bit stronger. Okay, there's that one. And then this one here, I've got a clamp and a toilet paper roll. So what I'm going to try to do is wrap this toilet paper roll around the base, around the wound, and then I'm going to try to clamp this into place. Kind of roll this up a little bit. Take this. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to try. That around it. And I'm going to clamp that into place. Clamp on the top, clamp on the bottom, and I'll go ahead and put this in the dirt. That way I think I can pin it to the post too. Use one of these clamps. Grab some water, find my watering can. Well, right now the repair is holding. The plant looks healthy. I broke the stem and I repaired it with a toilet paper roll. And it's looking pretty good. So I think it's going to work out. Okay, it's been 3 more days and it's still holding and the leaves look good. This is going to work. Nice.